Sometimes I get concerns from customers about dimples they see on primers after they've chambered around and they've ejected the live round. They'll see a little dent on the primer caused by the firing pin. This is perfectly normal. That's just how all AR-15s operate. The firing pin is free floating in its chamber in the bolt. So the inertia of the forward force of the carrier will cause the firing pin to bounce off the primer. It's nothing to be concerned about. It's perfectly normal, and you'll see it on any normal AR-15.